I'm going to show you guys how to make your Continental GT touring ready. So this is a stealth bag from Invictus. So the first thing is this mat. You just got to place it on the bike. Then you have these cables. Now these straps might look intimidating, but it's really simple to connect. Let me show you. You just take it through and then you push this through this loop. It's not really very easy doing this with one hand. See, when you push it through, basically that's exactly how you tie it. So this one was tied over here in exactly the same manner, which is basically what you connect to your bike. So you gotta make sure that this is not touching any part of your bike. So here's one, and the extra end you can tie up to different parts of your bike. So this one is tied up here, then this other one, as you can see, it's attached here, and then I kind of tied it up and just making sure that it's secured properly. So similarly, even this number 3 tied up here, number 4, this one is tied right here. So it should be tight and planted. This is the main issue, because you need to make sure that this cannot be moved. Like, as long as this is planted, you're good to go, because there are these 4 clasps on top of these. This 3 and 4. So these along with these will secure your bag in place. Now let me show you. The bag has 4 buckles attached to the bottom of it, where you can easily tie the strap to it. That's what it's made for. And then there are 4 of these holding it to the mat. So there's 1, 2, 3 and 4. You see? These clip-on bags are also from Royal Enfield. So I had to get these installed. Slide it and that's it. It's literally done in 2 seconds. This is the rain cover that came with the bag. It's pretty easy to install and it does its job. The only thing is, don't use it at high speeds, because I've seen some people's covers fly off. So this is what the setup looks like. The side bag, main bag, or the side bag. That's how you do it.